Now let's see how digestion happens in human beings. Okay, we are eating food, how it is going through our alimentary canal, how it is reaching the stomach and how it is going out. We will see one by one. So generally we will see outline of how the digestion happen and the places through which food is going. Okay, so first of all, just see the picture. You can see first of all digestion take place inside the mouth with the help of teeth, tongue. We will chew the food. Whatever we are eating, we will chew first in our mouth with the help of teeth, tongue and saliva. Saliva means a fluid which is produced by the, if you see here, we can feel salivary glands are there. Glands means a small sac-like structure which is present all over. Different types of glands are there in our body. One most important gland is salivary gland. Suppose if I am telling to you now, think about tamarind or mango or pickle. Just think about it, that water will come inside your mouth. That is because if you are thinking, that brain knows that one and it will produce automatically saliva. Okay, a fluid is coming, right? That is known as the saliva. So saliva is produced by the salivary gland. Okay, so that space inside the mouth, that is known as the buccal cavity. Okay, so this first part of digestion is the buccal cavity. So the saliva is produced by the salivary gland which is situated in the both side of our neck. Okay, so next part is, so just see here, we can see a pipe-like structure that is known as the esophagus. We just see the spelling. O is silent here. O, E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Okay, so we learn it properly. This is esophagus. It is a tube-like structure we can see in the digestion, during the digestion. So it is a connection between mouth and the stomach. So the food will go through this esophagus. Okay, so next structure, after going through the esophagus, the food will reach in the stomach. Okay, this is the stomach and we can see two structure, that one is liver and next one is pancreas. So liver and pancreas are glands which will produce some enzymes which will break the complex substance into simple ones. Okay, that is main important thing in the process of digestion. Okay, so next one, the food from the stomach, the food will reach the small intestine and after that so many reactions will take place. After that, food will reach in the large intestine and it will go out through the rectum and finally through the anus. Okay, so once again I will tell. So all together this tract is known as the alimentary canal. This is known as the alimentary canal or digestive tract. So from mouth till anus, that tract is known as the digestive tract, or the name we will commonly call as alimentary canal. So once again I will tell what are the parts of our digestive system. First of all, the mouth, that is known as the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, in that we can see salivary gland. After that, the tube-like structure is there, that is known as the esophagus. Learn the spelling properly. It is called as esophagus. O you should write. Okay. Then the food will reach the stomach. The liver and pancreas are two glands. Salivary gland also is there. So many other glands are there, but basic, most important glands are salivary gland, liver, pancreas. Okay, liver, pancreas. Then the food will go to the small intestine and then again. So in the small intestine, maximum amount of absorption will take place. That all we will learn in next class. After that, the food will go to the large intestine and finally the waste material will go out from the body through the rectum and finally through the anus. So this is our digestive system. I hope it is clear to you.